Across Zambia, communities continue to face the growing impacts of climate change, disease outbreaks, food insecurity, droughts, floods, and recurrent disasters. Yet, amid these challenges, resilience is emerging through the power of partnership, community action, and humanitarian commitment. With support from partners, Zambia Red Cross Society is helping vulnerable communities prepare for, withstand, and recover from crisis, whilst building a more resilient future. Guided by our 2026-2030 strategic plan, our work is anchored on four interconnected pillars, which are disaster risk management and climate resilience, health, protection and community resilience, national society development and volunteer engagement, and financial sustainability and adaptation. Together, these pillars strengthen our ability to save lives, reduce suffering, and empower communities across Zambia. Zambia Red Cross Society is improving access to safe and clean water through the drilling and rehabilitation of boreholes, many of which have been upgraded into sustainable solar-powered water reticulation systems, which are serving communities, schools, health facilities, and markets. These investments are improving health outcomes, preventing waterborne diseases, and restoring dignity for thousands of people. We are also strengthening disaster preparedness through anticipatory action, helping vulnerable households prepare for droughts, floods, and other climate-related emergencies before they occur. When disasters strike, our volunteers and response teams are among the first on the ground, providing emergency assistance, household items, hygiene supplies, and other life-saving assistance to affected families. At the heart of our work are thousands of dedicated volunteers who serve as first responders, community mobilizers, educators, and humanitarians. Through community engagement and accountability, protection, gender and inclusion, and risk communication and community engagement initiatives, we ensure that communities are informed, heard, protected, and actively involved in decisions that affect their lives. Beyond saving lives, Zambia Red Cross Society is helping communities protect and restore livelihoods through emergency cash assistance and climate-smart agriculture interventions. These initiatives enable families to meet their immediate needs, strengthen food security, improve household incomes, and adapt to the changing climate. While significant progress has been made, humanitarian needs across Zambia continue to grow. Thousands of vulnerable families still require support to access safe water, healthcare, disaster preparedness services, food security interventions, and sustainable livelihood opportunities. Together, we can do more. Together, we can reach more communities, protect more lives, and create lasting hope. Every partnership creates impact. Every contribution strengthens resilience. And every act of support brings hope to those who need it most. Together, we are not only responding to today's challenges, but also creating opportunities, restoring dignity, and building hope. Together, we are transforming lives, strengthening futures, and building resilient communities across Zambia.